Mixed conditional sentences. Mixed conditional sentences combine different types of conditionals, usually mixing past with present or future. They describe how a past action affects the present or how a present situation could have changed the past. Use cases. Use the mixed conditional when an unreal past event affects the present. A present unreal situation explains a past result. Structure. When an unreal past event affects the present will be if plus past perfect, would plus base verb. Example, when an unreal past event affects the present will be, if I had gone to bed earlier, I would feel better now. Structure, when a present unreal situation explains a past result will be, if plus past simple, would have plus past participle. Example, when a present unreal situation explains a past result will be, if I were taller, I would have joined the basketball team. Practice sentences. If I had taken the job offer, be in New York now. Answer will be, if I had taken the job offer, I would be in New York now. In this sentence, a past action affects present situation. If we had moved to Canada, we have better opportunities now. Answer will be, if we had moved to Canada, we would have better opportunities now. In this sentence, a past action affects present situation. If I were more organized, submit the assignment on time. Answer will be, if I were more organized, I would have submitted the assignment on time. In this sentence, a present unreal situation explains a past result. If she spoke better English, she pass the interview last week. Answer will be, if she spoke better English, she would have passed the interview last week. In this sentence, a present unreal situation explains a past result. Like, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel for more learning. Thank you.